At its peak, the Dutch East India Company was worth, in inflation-adjusted terms, approximately $8 trillion, making it the most valuable company in history by a substantial margin. What the Dutch East India Company demonstrated was that capital could be organized at scales that exceeded the resources of any individual investor, that risk could be distributed across many shareholders, and that the combination of state backing and corporate structure could generate returns that dwarfed any previously imaginable commercial venture. This model, private capital, state enforcement, distributed ownership, concentrated profit, became the template for the global economy. The founding of the Bank of England in 1694 is one of the most consequential events in the history of Western finance and one of the least taught. The circumstances of its founding reveal something fundamental about the relationship between financial power and state power that has persisted to the present day. In 1694, the English government was at war with France and desperately short of funds. A consortium of private financiers, led by the Scottish merchant William Paterson, proposed a solution. They would lend the government $1.2 million at 8% interest, and in exchange, they would be incorporated as the Bank of England, with the exclusive right to issue banknotes, paper money backed by the government's promise of repayment. The arrangement solved the government's immediate financing problem, but it also established a structural relationship in which the state became dependent on private financial actors to fund its operations, and those financial actors held the power to create and control the money supply. The government becomes, in a structural sense, a client of the financial system it nominally regulates.